Okie dokie. So, I have started doing the 25 Essential Expression Challenge for my character Lucky, who is a cat that I am developing. For this challenge, I'm basically just using Autodesk Sketchbook, which is my favorite program at the moment, to draw my characters, and I'm trying to get used to this because I just barely designed him yesterday, so I still don't have the muscle memory for him. So how do I do this? It's complicated. Anyways, so I'm trying to get used to drawing him, and I'm trying to figure out, the best ways to get good expressions. And so, you missed row 1. I did that one with screen capture, I believe. I think that's the program I used. So, I screen captured for that, and I decided to download a fancy new program, and I'm going to try doing this so that it might be possible for me to upload it to YouTube. Anyways, I got inspired to do this challenge by Drawing with Waffles on YouTube. She's amazing, so let us get started as much as started can be after doing that many. So tired. Lucky's a pretty chill dude. How would he look if he were tired? I think his ears would probably they'd probably be flopping all over the place. Maybe one of them's more lopsided. Yeah, my cat does that when she's tired. Her ears usually hang over the side. One of them's up and one of them's down, and she's like, ugh. And maybe I'll do his legs hanging out over whatever he's sleeping on. Maybe he's on a chair or something. She's like, ugh, I'm so tired. Why am I even here? You're here, my boy, because I drew you here. I think your neck would be further down or something. Probably further down at least. We can just pretend it's that. This is just supposed to be a quick drawing, right? Oh well, quick drawing. Anyways, half-loaded eyes, probably looking more concerned. Oh, whoopsies. Probably looking a bit more concerned since he's sleepy. I don't know about you, but when I'm sleepy, I just want to close my eyes and not move for eons. Sadly, school does not allow that. I have to wake up and go places. No, that doesn't work. I don't know about you, but whenever I design a character, it takes forever, because I'm kind of picky about what needs to go into the character and exactly how he needs to look, or she. I don't actually do many girl characters. That's a problem. None of my stories are about specifically a girl character. But again, nobody's ever seen my stories, so I guess I could technically just go in and change it or something. Maybe I should do him. The sleepy cat is sleeping. No, he's tired. So I guess maybe he's not sleeping. Maybe he has one eye kind of closed and the eyebrow up, and the other one's half open, and he's just ugh. Yeah. And he's just looking over at you what? Oh, his eyes are too small. What am I doing? I can leave that one though, because it's just closed. But this one needs to be kind of more maybe he's grumpy too, because he's so tired, and maybe Chase will come up and he's go away, bro. So kind of grumpy looking. We'll go with it. Just flop down on the bed, or the counter, or the chair. Whatever he's flopped down on. I don't know where he flops down yet. But all cats have a flop down place, or two. If you own a cat, you know that they just sleep places. My cat likes to sleep on the back of my couch and my bed. Ooh, shock surprise. His ears will be back in this one, for sure. Probably whoa, what in the heck? He's a superhero, by the way. A very interesting child indeed. His eyes are probably whoa! Cats' eyes get big when they're surprised, right? Yeah, I think so. Either that or super small. I think they should be looking down more. Like, what? Or maybe I should do them small. Let's try small. Yeah, that looks more surprised. Maybe a O for a mouth. Ooh, yes, my child. This is glorious. Maybe a little bit more. That way, yeah, that's good. And then he's like, whoa. Probably leaning backwards from the thing that's surprising him, because if you know cats, they will escape the thing. So I guess technically a cat wouldn't do this if they were surprised. They'd be hunched over like, what? And they'd probably be like poking at something after jumping 5 feet in the air, and I don't know, cats are crazy. I love them. No, you need to look surprised. Make those eyebrows launch into the sky. Maybe. Nah. I think he saw his, what did he see? Maybe he saw somebody do something that was like completely out of the ordinary, like something they would never do. Maybe his owner's mom dropped the food, the dinner on the floor because he had, I don't know, something happened. Ooh, yes, irritated. Ooh, okay, yes. So I have another character named Chase, and these two, they kind of know each other. I'm not going to reveal the story any more than this, but they both kind of had a similar thing happen to them, which is why they have the powers that they have, and that's why Chase can even communicate with anybody or anything in the first place, because if you don't know Chase, Chase is a soccer ball. Convenient, huh? Wouldn't you love to be a soccer ball? I know I would not. I'd prefer to be a cat like Lucky. It's a lot easier to walk and eat. Chase can't eat food. His destiny is absolutely terrible. I don't know what I would do if I couldn't eat. I'd be so sad. Because food is like the best. He's probably really annoyed because Chase is just prattling on about superhero comics as usual. Chase seems to do that a lot. And then he has to be flicking his tail because cats do that a lot when they're angry. Their tails like flick really fast from side to side and they like lash them all over the place. Now I gotta do Chase in the background, kind of just like looming over him. Oh, that's... Chase is kind of squishy. He's not a perfect circle. He kind of flattens on the ground because he's not blown up all the way. And then he's kind of, I don't know, he leans different ways. And I haven't fully decided on a lot of different things about Chase, just because, like, a soccer ball is kind of hard to design. So I'm the best at drawing him from the front, and in this scene I will have him doing this. Anyways, Chase, he has not been alive for very long, and so he was told by a skull thingy mabobbert that you probably won't understand about, and so I won't mention it anymore. But he was told by that person that he was supposed to be a superhero, and he was given a ton of comics, and he read them, and so now he's attempting to be a superhero because it's the only thing he knows in life. And he met this cat dude who also got similar powers from a similar Skullbro, who was the exact same Skullbro. And I don't know, they kind of became teammates, but honestly Lucky's the one who's more in charge than this dude is. We should do him talking a lot. This is not what words look like, but you know what? You know what? It's fine. It looks annoying, so it must be annoying. And then this originally said, what the fluffin' waffles? So I'm just gonna draw something that looks like what the fluffin' waffles. What does a cat's face look like when they think about waffles in an angry way? Probably like super water. Yes. He's probably looking down at water. His ears are probably like pasted to his back. And he's probably like flying up, and his legs are spewed out in front of him like, ah! What in the heckin' Tate? So it's like, ugh. Then a face like that. And maybe he's yowling. That looks about right. Maybe it's going up a little too. No, let's try it. Let's try it. Let's give it a chance. And he's angry because water. And his eyes kind of like, what in the world is happening to me? Yeah, he looks deranged enough in that, doesn't he? I'd look deranged if I was getting shoved into something I didn't want to be shoved into. That does not look like water, but oh well. Doesn't have to look like water, right? And to make it look like I did it even more on purpose, do that. And maybe I should use my eraser, my fancy eraser that I love so much, and shrink down the size of that so that it matches a little bit better. But maybe not that much. Maybe just that much. That's good. Okay. Now let's get back to the brush I was using, the Dream Brush. The name fits well now, doesn't it? And Lucky, he's probably, no, what in the world? He's probably further over here, to be honest. And he's probably being grabbed by his owner and shoved into the water. I did that to my cat, because I'm slightly allergic to cats actually, which is so sad. But I'm not super allergic, so what I do is I give my cat a bath every other month, and she absolutely hates baths. Like, it's the worst for her. It's like the worst thing ever. If I give her a bath, she'll be meowing and crying and sobbing and trying to. She's actually surprisingly nice during like bath time. She won't like claw me to pieces, but she will try to jump out and she will get me soaking wet. So we'll draw this cat like freaking out. Like, water, no! Maybe I should try him lifting a paw up, because, like, freaking water. You know, I actually don't like water a ton either. It's annoying stuff. I love it, but I hate it. Me and water have a love-hate relationship. Like, I used to love swimming, but now I only like swimming in lakes. No! Failure. There we go. Kind of. We'll just leave it. Sorry, Lucky Bro. You'll have to deal with the pain of being where you're at. In the water, your trusted owner. Oh, I forgot an important factor about his owner. Spot condition because of her skin. Oh wait, no, I do have a female character who's kind of a main character. She is. She's a good child. Anyways, Triumph. What does Triumph look like? Oh, I know. He's probably got his ears. What does my cat look like? He's probably got his head aloof. So we'll just go like this. Like, look at me. His eyes are probably closed out of pride. Well, I guess he just triumphed, so maybe it's a little bit more joyful than that. And let's give him a big smile. Oh, that's sloppy. And again, everything I've drawn so far is sloppy. Oh, that's even sloppier. There we go. Nah, we'll just keep it like that. And add his little eyebrows. Maybe they're a little bit higher up. I know that when I'm triumphant, my eyebrows tend to go up. Because, like, when you smile, they go up, too. So it's like, you know. And then he's a bit more forward in posture. He's not running away from anything. He's puffing out his chest because he was so good. Brave boy. Did you beat the bad guy or something? Maybe? Or kill a mouse? Maybe he did that. Maybe he killed a mouse and brought it to his owner. Maybe he was good for once and didn't destroy the furniture or something. Cats like to destroy furniture. And we'll do a nice upraised tail. Yeah, that looks good. Well, that's another row of my 25 expressions challenge, and I do not want to bore you with 3 more rows. So I think that is good, and I'm going to pause the recording now.